a woman is difficult enough. Despite this, women all around the world, particularly in Asia, confront incredible hardships and obstacles on their way to achieving their ambitions. I challenge all my challenges. So, here I am Harshini Veeratunga, Principal and Director of Green Angels International School and Educational Institute. Other than the principal of the Green Angels International School, I am holding the directorships of South Asian Entrepreneurs Development Faculty, Language Hub Sri Lanka and Rural Enterprise Network Sri Lanka, and working as an external consultant for the Business Development Centre Private Limited and Innovate Web Holdings Private Limited. And also, I am a professional brain development trainer, HOMAC Abacus UK, professional elocution trainer in leading elocution institutions in Sri Lanka, authorized course coordinator, ICS examinations, South Australian University, professional trainer, e-learning concepts for mathematics according to the Japanese curriculum, and active member of International School Association Sri Lanka. I am 33 years of age and an all-girl of Mahamaya Girls College Kandy, which is one of the leading girls' colleges in Sri Lanka and contributes to create distinctive women personalities to the society. In my school life, I was a junior prefect, president of the Science Society, member of the debate team, member of netball team, and a member of athletic team. Experiences gained through these extracurricular activities had helped me to overcome the obstacles which arose throughout my life. I am a graduate in software engineering from the University of East London, UK. Moreover, I have completed a diploma in early childhood development, AMI method. As soon as I finished my studies, I was able to start the Green Angels International Preschool and Daycare Center with AMI method in 2013 as the first step in my career life. I have started this preschool under a specialized concept with the objective to give academic as well as practical experiences to the students. With the success of the preschool and the demand for the English medium education, I was able to start the Green Angels International School in 2014 to contribute an extraordinary concept to the students. I recognized the value of getting an education and started to give it to others. Education is an opportunity for everyone to make their future with full of values. The Green Angels International School Network is providing its services with the vision of leaders of tomorrow. The passion of teaching is a gift from my family. My mother is the first and best teacher in my life, and she is my all-time inspirational model that I have met in my life. The best thing that I learned from her is education is for improving the lives of others. Green Angels International School shows a rapid progression within a short-term period. Has two branches in Gampala and Gelliyoe respectively. It has become an international school that educates children from first grade to advanced level and currently has been able to serve as an educational institution with a wide range of learning processes in the field of education. The education network of Green Angels International School has offered international preschools, daycare centers, two main international schools ranging from primary to A-level, an elocution institute for conducting examinations, and institutions for the performing arts, courses related to higher education and vocational training courses. Green Angels International School is a wonderful place for children to develop their co-curricular and extracurricular activities as well as to make virtuous children to the world. Our school has already created an environment for children to get the best out of education and experience not only nationally but also internationally. We always strive to maintain a very cordial relationship with parents by recognizing the importance of the role of them in improving a child's education and provide parents with the guidance they need to play their role successfully in the child's world. Our school is committed to create a great approach to world transformation by giving children the academic excellence and spiritual enrichment that they need to plant in the lives of children for the leadership they need for tomorrow. We have also provided an indoor swimming pool and indoor gymnasium facilities for other indoor sports. In addition, we work with foreign teachers to provide the necessary experience and training for children at the international level. Sri Lanka is a multicultural country. We strive to inculcate in our children the special qualities of respect for all cultures in our school. I always attempt to ensure that special events and occasions related to all cultures are celebrated in the best possible way with the participation of all children, academic and non-academic staffs. Because children need to develop special qualities such as social coexistence, respect for others, and tolerance. As a proof of our excellent service, in the year 2018, GAIS was awarded as the best preschool in International School Awards, which was held in Dubai. Since the beginning of 2020, education has been disrupted in our country due to the COVID-19 pandemic, which has affected to the entire world. Even in this catastrophic situation, I have done everything possible to ensure that the children continue to be educated to the best of their ability through online methods. We pay attention to the extracurricular activities in this period. Our school decided to give opportunities to all children, not only in our school but also children around Sri Lanka who are currently facing various obstacles in terms of education and mental health to participate in several events such as Father's Day program, Vesak Poya celebration, Environmental Day program, English workshop for primary students which was conducted by a foreign lecturer, and an art competition which was held in the last Poson Poya through an open invitation extended to all children. I have a worldwide network under an educational platform to conduct courses starting from preschools to master degrees with collaboration of local and international universities and professionals. We have a wide range of courses specifically designed to fill the gap of the job market in near future. Under our institute, students can follow school-level courses, certificate courses, diploma, degree, and master-level courses. Recently, I have started to offer the AMI diploma with the aim of producing trained preschool teachers. GAIS offers an unforgettable teacher training experience with foreign teachers. To fulfill that, GAIS started offering the TEFL Diploma Level 5, collaborate with British Online School, which is awarded by Gates House Awards as a part of an online course series, and also offers a free teacher training with UK lecturers in this program. Language Hub Sri Lanka is one of my recent initiatives to uplift English literacy level of the island-wide students in Sri Lanka. Currently, Language Hub is having variety of English courses to different age groups and providing customized English courses according to the requirements. From time to time, I have contributed in various ways for the social well-being through our school. I have worked with children in Sri Lanka's rural communities on different projects. I am currently offering free counseling programs, workshops, and other educational services to help to enhance the quality of preschools in rural areas. I collaborated with the Little Heart Project and participated in a fundraising campaign for heart surgeries involving students from my school. And we were able to raise funds to do heart surgeries on 39 children and give them a chance to live. Also, time to time, I have organized several donation programs with the participation of my school children to increase their values. As a Women Empowerment Project, a program is being carried out to transform girls who have successfully completed the GC O-level and advanced level examinations into professional teachers. Further, I have already established numerous programs to allow children around Sri Lanka the opportunity to learn with international teachers, and I am planning several more to give them the opportunity to continue this experience. I have several future goals to achieve in my career path. One of them is strengthening the branch network at Green Angels International School in high population areas, not only in Central Province. We are going to expand our branches in different districts in Sri Lanka. Our main task is to expand our student volume from preschool to advanced levels, which will be easy to adapt them for a higher educational background using our network. Apart from academic activities, I hope to start an academy to train quality preschool and school teachers in Sri Lanka. Through CEDES campus, I look forward to guide the dropouts from the GCE O-level and A-level examinations in Sri Lanka to choose suitable pathways for pursuing international higher education and international employment. Simultaneously, we hope to establish a career guidance unit with the intention of providing free counseling for all the required students regarding higher education and academic activities. At present, only traditional vocational training courses are available for students who have dropped out from the GC O-level examination in Sri Lanka. Therefore, it is expected to initiate several innovative specialized courses related which are widely upcoming in the world by targeting those students in collaboration with several international universities and incorporating technology. By organizing this, I hope to give them the strength they need to win life and show them the right path without breaking down mentally due to failing the GC O-level. I am expecting to initiate multiple English education projects by targeting children and women in all over the country without charging any fees. The objective of this program is to uplift their skills and English knowledge according to their requirements. As the first step, I initiated a skill upgrade program for salon management to empower women in collaboration with CEDES campus. Being a mother, a wife, a businesswoman is not so easy. The journey I came on was always a path full of challenges. I always had to make tough and direct decisions, especially to be a leader who manages people. All these were the challenges that arose in my career, and I faced them with joy and determination. I would like to thank my parents, husband, and children for the success of all these endeavors and the encouragements. Special thanks also to Dr. Premasiri Gamage, who I follow as the role model of my career life. It is truly a privilege and an honor to be recognized as an awardee in this international forum as Women Icon powered by Times Women, and for bagging me the award title Women Educational Leader 2021. This award will encourage and benefit my future career path, and I give my heartfelt gratitude to Women Icon powered by Times Women and World Women Council to their due recognition to make me successful in my journey by assessing in multiple aspects. I dedicate this award to everyone who supported me through this wonderful journey.